Number 7 is a factoring question. Factor 5x squared minus 13x plus 6. This one's totally Desmodable because I'm going to give you, there's 4 multiple choice questions, responses on the review, and there's also mostly multiple choice on our test. I'm going to go through the steps anyway. Here's A is 5, B is negative 13, C is 6. You do A times C. So factors of 30 that add up to B, negative 13. This is a negative, this is a positive. So for A to for your n term to be positive, you need either 2 positives or 2 negatives. This is negative, so they're both negative. So 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10. Now, if they're both negative, there you go. I'm going to do the bottoms up. No, I didn't start with the bottoms up, so we're going to just do the box method. Draw your box. First, last, and then these bad boys go in the middle. Okay, what can you factor out? They both have 1x in common. 5 and negative 10, what can you factor out? 5 and an x, because they both have an x in common. This is a good point you can check at this point. 5x times x, yes, 5x squared. Now, x times what will give you a negative 3x? Minus 3. And also 6 and 3. 3 is the greatest common factor. 5x times what gives you negative 10x? 5 times negative 2, negative 10. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. So you have successfully found your 2 factors. I'm going to go ahead and do the bottoms up method as well. So 5x squared minus 13x plus 6. I know some of you really liked it when I did it in tutorials. Step 1, slide. Slide is your A times C. So 5 times 6 is 30. This is our new trinomial. We're going to factor this trinomial. We're going to do the same steps we did when doing the box. Factors of 30 that add up to negative 13. We know those are negative 3 and 10. After slide, you divide. What are we going to divide by? Well, we're going to divide by this 5 that we had multiplied by. We need to bring it back. It's not gone. It was gone temporarily. You see, can you simplify these? 3 over 5, does that simplify? No. This 5 slides to the front. That's the bottoms up part. X minus 10 over 5, does that simplify? Yes. So this 5 does not come to the front. No bottoms up. So slide, divide, bottoms up. Did we get the same answer? We sure did. I wrote them, I reversed the order, but that's okay, because keep in mind, multiplication, they're the same. It doesn't matter the order.